Hello everyone. If you are like me and my colleagues, you might have noticed that some of our favorite AI models, like OpenAI's and Claude's assistants, have become less useful since the recent changes to search integrations. It's been frustrating because productivity has taken a hit, and I'm sure some of you are in the same boat. In my case, I rely heavily on AI for coding assistance, but the sudden drop in functionality really threw a wrench in my work. Fortunately, there's a new player shaking up the AI world. The Qwen team over at Alibaba Cloud has been pushing the boundaries with SOTA releases, first with QwenVL and now with impressive Qwen Coder. But here's the thing, Qwen Coder on its own doesn't handle images, so I thought why not combine it with other powerful VLMs to bridge that gap. That's exactly what this video is about. I've given Qwen Coder the ability to see through some of the top VLMs out there so it can replicate UI elements effortlessly, all from a single image upload. So buckle up, I'll walk you through how to use this fantastic new coding model to create UI elements with ease. And stick around till the end where we'll discuss how models like GPT-4o, Llama 3.2, QwenVL and Pixtral contribute to high-level descriptions that enhance Qwen Coder's outputs. So what is Qwen Coder? Qwen 2.5 Coder is the latest addition to code-specific series of Qwen large language models, previously known as Code Qwen. This model range is tailored specifically for developers, offering 6 model sizes to address a variety of development needs. The 32-bit Qwen 2.5 Coder model stands out as SOTA open source code model, achieving performance levels compared to GPT-4o. This latest version of Qwen Coder brings impressive improvements over its predecessor, Code Qwen 1.5. With advancements in code generation, reasoning, and bug fixing, these capabilities are powered by extensive training on 5.5 trillion tokens, covering real-world source code, synthetic data, and a diverse range of text code grounding sources. The architecture of Qwen 2.5 Coder is robust, featuring transformer-based design elements like rope, SWI, GLU, RMS norm. This makes it a powerful tool for complex code tasks. The 32.5-bit parameter model has 64 layers and a unique attention head, 40 heads for queries and 8 for key values, optimized for both performance and scalability. Overall, Qwen 2.5 Coder is an excellent and exciting step forward in code-focused AI, combining scalability, long context handling, and specialized training for cutting-edge code generation. So why should we care about companies like Mistral and Qwen when we have GPTs and Llamas? Well, wondering why to go with Qwen or Mistral instead of familiar names like GPT or Claude? Here's why. Companies like Mistral and Alibaba Cloud are pushing AI boundaries in a very modular and customizable way. Qwen's recent launches have shown that open source and specialized models can provide state-of-the-art performance without the restrictions of closed systems. With models like Qwen Coder, we are getting tailored solutions that work specifically for coding tasks, sometimes outperforming the larger general-purpose models when it comes to code generation. Just look at the sheer amount of variations and tuning that they have internally achieved and proudly made available compared to traditional closed source foundational models. So, moving on to the tutorial. Alright, let's get to the tutorial part of the setup. Here's a quick overview of the workflow. First, we upload an image of a UI design that we want to create. This is done right in our Streamlit app. Next, the script runs a function that uses a VLM like QwenVL to analyze the image and produce a highly detailed description. This description includes everything from layout to colors, typography, and spacing. Then we pass that description over to Qwen Coder using a custom prompt to instruct it to generate HTML and CSS based on the visual description. With these steps, we are effectively enabling Qwen Coder to see images even though it wasn't originally built for that. So, the code itself can be divided into multiple modular functions. First of all is encoding and query vision language models to get high-level descriptions of the uploaded screenshot for further code generation. Over here, we are sourcing our models from Tune.ai, which lets me use all these amazing large vision language models for completely free. Second set of functions that we shall write are for the final HTML and CSS generation. This is a rather simple code that shall extract the HTML and CSS code from the code Qwen reply and save it locally in our system. As far as the Streamlit UI goes, we shall declare all the relevant VLM model IDs for querying the model, which should let users choose from QwenVL, GPT4o, Llama 3.2 and Pixtral to create their high-level descriptions for code generation. And finally, there is the code, which shall take the high-level description generated by the models to use them for creating the code. I have tested this setup extensively, and Qwen Coder is a state-of-the-art solution. When paired with visual language models, it delivers HTML and CSS outputs that capture even fine details from screenshots to color schemes, typography, and layout. It exacts and saves a ton of time. The Qwen Coder worked seamlessly in my tests with description inputs generated by VLMs like QwenVL, Pixtral, and even models like GPT4o and Llama 3.2. This combination produces high-quality code that closely match the original UI, but more importantly give me a baseline to work upon from. The key to these results lies in the rich descriptions generated by our visual language models. Using models like GPT4o, QwenVL and Pixtral, we are setting Qwen Coder for up success with descriptions that capture every UI element needed for precise code generation. So there you have it, a robust setup that combines the best of both worlds, visual language models for understanding visual data, and Qwen Coder for generating high quality data. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your models fed and your code bug free.